Hey guys, it is Blue the Flu here, and today I will be unboxing my new keyboard that I got. I'm so excited to unbox my Razer Arctosa. Yes, I got the cheapest one basically, but I've needed a new keyboard since I've had this old thing, and this thing is basically I can't even push my buttons anymore. So excited to open this. I'm gonna unbox this in front of you guys, and I'm gonna review it with my and I'm gonna review it. So unboxing time, hooray! I don't think this is how you do it. Wait. Oh, and I got this knife for Christmas. I was actually surprised that I got this. And oh, okay, I see. I don't want to stab myself. Oh, I see. So I don't really need this, but hey, it's always good to make sure you have something. Oh man, you do. I think you guys saw my hair. That's not amazing, huh? What? Just open it with the knife. But what the? There's a. Wait. Hold up. Gone at 88. How old is that? Old enough. Oh look, I could have just done that. Oh hello Raymond, you're such a blonde. Oh. Don't close the knife the wrong way, you're gonna stab yourself. Man, I'm so retarded, honestly. Well, sorry for saying that. What? There's so much tape. It's tapeception. Tape and. Oh man. Oh man. Uh-oh. I just hit that. Oh, look what a blonde I am. I can't even open this. How amazing is that? By the way, I'm terrified of knives after one incident. Oh, finally I opened it. Time to close it. Finally, after like an hour, right? Here are the features. I forgot to show you guys this. Stuff like that. I don't know if you guys, I hope you guys can see it, kind of, because this box is ginormous and my desk is small. Haha, that's what she said. No, it's not. And, oh my goodness. This is like premium packaging. I feel like a king. Oh my god. I feel like... Oh, look at this, you guys. It's beautiful. Here it is. Here is the baby. Oh my god. Oh, and there's something under it. Look at this thing. Look how thin it is. Can you guys see that? Look at this. This thing, the box is like 100 times bigger. Oh my god. I will be doing a review on this keyboard, you guys. And I will also be doing a review on my sister's case that she just got for Christmas. And I just hit the stand again, but hey. And I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing. I mean, I hope you guys, after the review, actually want to buy one of these. Because this thing is just... Look how thin it is. Oh my god. It's not... Okay. I'm gonna end the video here, you guys. Please comment, rate, subscribe. Tell me if you guys at least like the look of the keyboard, and I'll see you guys later. Peace out, dogs.